Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. For example, if you try to message a person on TikTok and you see this kind of a notification and you cannot send message. As you can see, I have tried to message the person and it is written not sent, and moreover there is the notification messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So how you can fix that? So the first solution of that error is as that what you have to do, you have to simply send a request to that person to follow him, which means you can simply send a follow request to that person, and after that that person accept your follow request, which means it the person follows you, then you will be able to message that person on TikTok without any problem. So if the person has already followed you but it is again showing the same error, which means messages cannot be sent, this user isn't following you, then what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that your messages can be updated and this notification removes from your chats, and after that you will be able to message the person you have already followed, and that person has already followed you, and after that you can simply easily message that person. But if the person has other restriction, which means if this notification is not showing and instead it is showing, you cannot send message because this user has a privacy restriction or privacy settings, then you cannot send that person even you follow or that person follows you on TikTok. This is due to a setting which is in TikTok. You can apply for this. What you have to do, you have to simply go to three lines. After that you have to go to settings and privacy, and here what you have to do, you have to go to privacy, and after that you can scroll it down until you find the option of direct message. So here you can simply select who can send you a message, which means if you select no one, then no one will be able to send you a message on TikTok without your permission, and you will not receive a message from anyone on TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our